People were thinking, saying, whatever, that we have not found our bottom yet, that we still have further to go, that we could drop down maybe to 5,400 or even lower. That this is just going to be like the last time we were in a bear market, that when we were trading in a tight range, we suddenly just dumped. Now, I'm sure this isn't the first video you've seen about this particular subject, so I'm going to spare you the Fibonacci retracement, the MACD, and all of that. I'm just going to point out one thing: the BitMEX funding rate and funding and premium index. The last bear market, we were trading in range. As you can see down here, it was mostly longs paying shorts, indicating that a dump was going to happen eventually, and so it did. Fast forward to now, and what do you see? Shorts paying longs. And if you go through recent price history here, you can see when shorts are paying longs, it is followed by a pump. When longs are paying shorts, it's followed by a dump. It's a pretty easy pattern to pick up on. So, with this and all the other evidence that I've seen, and yes, the Fibonacci plays an important role in this. Even a MACD, it's starting to, the momentum's starting to shift towards the positive. The possibility of dumping still remains, but if I had to place my money on anything, we're going up from here. We may trade sideways for a little while longer, but we're going up. I think this downtrend is finally at an end. Of course, there's the other thing that I had to show you. Ignore the arrow, but this is another reason why I believe that we are at our bottom. It is just a basic resistance turns support on a large scale. Of course, you got to take everything I say with a grain of salt, because I am not a financial advisor, so don't make any of your decisions based on what I say or anybody on YouTube says. You just have to remember to always do your research before you invest in anything. As far as the bottom goes, I'm convinced we're here, or we're at least almost there. We're not going too much further. We are not going below 6K. That is my personal opinion. And that is all I got.